I played Cabin Crew Simulator. Not to not to test anything out, but I just played it. Yeah. So yeah guys, my dumbass self forget that my screen recorder is still glitching. So I'm gonna play this game. Yeah, I already told in the beginning. Cabin Crew. You can see myself in New York City. I've played these games before, okay? It's not my first time trying it. I've tried it many times before. And yeah, I got gate 5 as you can see, very close to my beginning point, my spawn point. And from here, I board my plane. I serve my passengers, let my pilot in. 2 pilots. No, they're not trained. Look, 1 pilot's in, 2nd pilot's in. I'll close the door. Nice. This is a voiceover actually, not me actually real time. Because yes, look how long the food sport takes so long. I can walk here, so now I'm cleaning up the stuff over here. I put the that doesn't even look like Coca-Cola, it still looks like water. Nice. Nice. Cabinet, I had the muffin there. I put the chips there. I mean the crackers. Now let the business class passengers in. Like so many of them. Look, there goes one. There's still more behind them. Like I don't know why there's so many business class. There's so much spoiled. Yeah. From this clip, people love the amenity kit. Absolutely love it. But here I'm cleaning the one in the back. Yeah. No, let's just skip this part. Let's just go to the part where it's fun. And here's where I attempt to get the cool picture. I think it's for the thumbnail or something. Yeah, this is my attempt of getting it.
This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome
I
aboard
think
the
it's from a
flight.
different
We're
angle.
expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign
No,
should remain off for most
different.
of the flight. Thanks for flying with
Yeah,
us,
this
and
is
once
where I
again,
wanna
welcome aboard.
take it for my thumbnail. Yeah, here we can close the door. Get the on-time departure thing. Badge. You know, it's basically just like cabin crew stuff. And serving the first class members. Let's skip it to where it's not boring. Serving the passengers takes too long, bro. So that's why, like, I skip to the part where my plane took off. Yes. And by see the time cycle has already turned out. Basically, no cap. Ah. And this is where I serve
Flight deck,
them
we have reached our
again.
cruising altitude.
This is the
The
main
flight
part
attendants
of
will
the
start their in-flight service
cabin
shortly.
crew sim.
Sit back,
It's not a
relax,
flight
and enjoy the
sim,
flight.
but there is some parts where you can become the pilot, drive the plane. But it's only some. It's like when the pilots get sick. There's an event. I got a badge for it, I think. It's called like the trainee pilot thing. But I think you will get it one day if you play this game, Cabin Crew Flight Sim. Yeah, I'm gonna just skip to the part where I think it gets more interesting. So yeah. Turbulence! Well, I kinda get my voice back a bit. I have to lower the volume of the video because the voiceover I think sounds a bit better than the original. And here where I chat to a PA, I tell the passengers to sit down. Basically you can see it over there. Type in the chat, passengers please sit down. Yes, and this is the part where the plane lands in Seattle. I mean New York. Yeah, New York. The pilot's kind of decent now. It got the very smooth landing. And you know, I ended up getting a ton of skybucks from the pilots because the landing is fairly smooth. I'm gonna skip to the interesting part again. See you in the next clip. Here we go. Now we're getting sprayed by the fire trucks because like this is this plane's first flight. The Airbus A321. My dash is nice. And the marshalling guy is in front of us. The tiny guy in front of us, yeah, there's a marshalling one. I'm gonna spit. I'm gonna skip to the interesting part. See ya. And this is where the passengers gets deplaned. Look, everyone gets off. I open the baggage thing. It actually sounds so satisfying in game. You get like the enjoy a little click from them. The baggage thing. Flight was very short actually from Roblox here to New York City. After the starter maps, there's still more maps. There's still like Tokyo, London. I don't know even if it's Heathrow or Gatwick. See, they got 1,053 skybucks. When the landing, it's very smooth. Look at this. Yeah, basically that.